Do earthworms have eyes? Have you ever seen an earthworm wriggling through the soil and wondered, how do they know where they're going? Do earthworms even have eyes? It's a fascinating question, and the answer might just surprise you. First, let's take a closer look at our squishy little friends. Earthworms don't have eyes like we do, no eyeballs, no eyelashes, not even a tiny speck for a pupil. So, how on earth, or under it, do they manage to move around and find food in the dark, damp soil? Here's the secret. While earthworms don't have eyes, their skin is incredibly smart. Earthworms can sense light and darkness using special cells on their skin. Imagine having a superpower that lets your entire body feel the sunlight or the shadow of a predator. It's like being able to see with your skin. But why would an earthworm need to sense light if they live underground? Great question. Light actually signals danger to an earthworm. If they're out in the open and feel sunlight, they know it's time to burrow back into the soil, where it's safe and cool. If they stay out in the sun for too long, their moist bodies can dry up, and that's not good news for an earthworm. Now, let's talk about their other amazing senses. Earthworms might not have eyes, but they're fantastic at feeling vibrations. If something big is moving nearby, like a bird hopping around, looking for lunch, earthworms can sense the tiny tremors in the ground and quickly wriggle away to safety. It's like having a built-in earthquake detector. So, while earthworms don't have eyes to see the world like we do, they don't really need them. Their skin and super senses help them survive and thrive in their underground homes. Pretty cool, right? Next time you spot an earthworm, remember, even without eyes, these little creatures are incredible survivors, playing an important role in keeping our soil healthy and our gardens growing. Isn't nature amazing? Keep asking great questions, because there's always something new and exciting to learn.